In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create email sequence in MailerLite. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here to MailerLite.com. From in there, proceed to click onto this sign up free in order to create an account. Or if you already have one, click onto this login right here. I already have an account, so let's just choose right here this login. Now I have in here my dashboard. So in order to create the mail sequence, what we can do is we can head over right here into the automation section. You can find it on your left sidebar. And once you have head over there, what we can do is we can actually just create a new automation from this. Now click on this create. You can either start from scratch or start with templates that you want to use. So for example, let's just right here this new promotion right there. Now this will load this preview right here. You can see the trigger, email, and time delay. For this case, you can also just insert your own. So for example, let's just select this template. If you actually start from scratch, you need to actually have your own trigger as well as action for that. So I have in here this trigger. So click on this right here, and as you can see, there's actually an error for that. When you add in a trigger, make sure that there's no error. So choose in here the custom field. So for this case, let's choose right here this name and contain something, or you can also choose in here the country, city, or email. So choosing here the actual options right there. Now click on save after that, and onto your actual email, choosing here the actual email option, email content, design it yourself, and after that click on save. Once you're done with everything, proceed to click on this activate option right here in order to activate it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.